Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Go on iOS. First, head to the App Store and download the free Pokémon Go application. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in using your Google or Pokémon Trainer Club credentials. Remember to grant the game access to your device's location services. This is crucial for gameplay. Finally, personalize your in-game avatar to make it uniquely yours before stepping out into the world. The core of Pokémon Go involves exploring your surroundings. As you walk, Pokémon will appear on your in-game map. Tap on one to begin a capture attempt. To catch it, swipe a Pokéball towards the Pokémon. A successful throw will add it to your collection. Keep an eye out for Pokéstops, often found at real-world landmarks, where you can spin the photo disc to gather valuable items like more Pokéballs, potions, and eggs. Gyms are key locations for competitive play. You can challenge gyms controlled by rival teams to earn Poké coins and gain experience. During a battle, tap quickly for fast attacks and hold down for charged attacks. Team up with other trainers in raid battles to take on powerful boss Pokémon. These cooperative battles offer fantastic rewards, including rare items and a chance to catch the defeated raid boss, often a very strong Pokémon. Pokémon Go is also a social experience. You can add friends to exchange gifts, which helps increase your friendship level and provides useful items. Trading Pokémon with friends is a great way to fill out your Pokédex, especially for regional exclusives. The game frequently hosts special events, offering unique Pokémon, increased spawn rates, and various bonuses. Don't forget to complete your daily research tasks for extra rewards and exciting Pokémon encounters.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.